mainland. It was people wanting the Ekatapi the land. Then kids go back to the coach's mainland today. Then change to my mainland. Today I wonder what happened to this to the world. It was crashed into the whales. Then everyone took my mainland or express. Then Gordon tried to take him on the the express coaches for James and then the red. What do you mean, Emily? Said James. Oh yeah, I say it, said Emily. Vehicles are just in the big engine. So what? This is. Then Gordon said, I am under the ticket on my mainland. Ah, this is awesome, not work. Yeah, we said we was work. Then go to take it to my the red mainland. That's another story. Din dan din dan din dan din. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Let it let it let it let it let it let it